Hey, welcome YouTube. My name is Ed Jackson. Welcome to my channel, Trading with Ed. Right now we're just going to get into US 30 because that's all I trade is US 30. So this is our daily chart we're looking at right now. All I trade is fib levels with liquidity levels. So fib zones with liquidity levels. What I mean by liquidity, I mean like the overnight futures liquidity that has not been liquidated. So I'll get more into that in some of my future videos. Right now, today's date is currently Sunday, the 12th, and we are waiting for the market to open up on Monday. But here the US 30, if you trade CFDs like me, US 30 is the index for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Excuse me. So I am looking today for possible entries and exits. So I just want to share my thoughts on where I think the market is going. Let's look at the higher time frame fib levels. This is the July high. We're gonna to our last recent low, October 27th. So this will be our swing high to swing low, and I am looking at at least a 61% retracement back into this untagged liquidity zone from, I believe this was September 21st. So this was Asian London session. So the way US 30 liquidity usually sets up overnight and is looking to get liquidated during New York session. That's just part of my strategy. That's just how I mark up my charts. You know, at the end of the day, who knows why it makes these highs and lows, but this is just part of my strategy, and over the years, I'm pretty confident that's what those are market maker liquidity levels. So that's what I like to trade, I like to trade with the market makers. So I'm looking at, let's go to our hourly. So the 61% retrace, let's go back to the daily. It shows up a little bit better. So I'm looking at the 61% retracement from this fib level back to this liquidity zone. Now you see how, since I'm a swing trader, this would be my entry right here at 34473, and I have my stop loss right above the recent high, July high. So that's about a 1,200 point stop loss. I know it's a lot, but I'm a swing trader. That's just how I look at the market. And I know a lot of people's like, well, how do you swing trade US 30 that deep? Well, I use Henkel Trade. So Henkel Trade, you can kind of get in the 0.01 lot size is a smaller contract. So if you have a $100 account, you can trade US 30 with Henkel Trade. So I'll put my Henkel Trade affiliate link or something somewhere in the link around this video. I don't know yet, we'll figure it out, but I just want to share with you guys where my swing trade for the week will be this week. So and looking at a target, since this will be our A to B zone, come back to C. So we got 1, 2, 3, or ABC. Come back, hit this 61% retracement. It may hit this liquidity zone, it might hit this one, it might liquidate all these zones. But if it breaks this high, that invalidates my thesis for this whole fib level. And like I said, I'm on a daily chart. So, but I'm looking into it, getting the entry. I got a pending order here, and I'm looking at swinging it all the way to 29,718 eventually. But I do realize if it gets down to this negative 27 fib, that will usually be where it would do a ABC or a wave 3 ending if I'm basing it off Elliott wave. So it'd be a 1, 2, 3, and pull back here for wave 4 pullback, and wave 5 should end after my negative 618. So that's why my target for this swing trade is eventually get to 29,718 is the liquidity left from, I think it's October 18th. Futures market from October 17th. Yeah, I'm sorry. Overnight futures. So my theory is that there's market makers at these levels that are in drawdown, and they have to cash out their positions at low cost, no cost or in profit. So they probably spent money to push the market up. They're in drawdown on some positions. They're hedging their positions until it gets down to this level. So that's why I have a 618, which is usually the end of a wave 5, where a trend usually ends. So my target is 29718, and it could go lower. So if it goes lower, it might just be validating the major fib levels from our January high of 2022 to our October 22 low. So you see it, I'm expecting it to do some sort of topping test before it pulls down. So that's why I'm expecting it to at least respect this fib level from the October low, made a high, swing back 61% to liquidate at least this fib level at 31414. So it'd be like the negative 27 fib zone of this minor fib. So that could be a take profit 1 or TP1, and a negative 618 would be a, of the liquidity past that zone would be a TP2. So anyways, hope you guys got a little bit of value out of my video. Like I said, it's first of many. I'm trying to get into this YouTube game, and I figure if I'm going to chart, at least let me record myself and share my thoughts with the community and just, contribute. So again, thanks for visiting my channel. If you like what you gotten out of this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and like this video. Like I said, I'll be putting up more, and right now, I mean, that's all I'm just trying to put up weekly, at least twice a week, just charting videos on where I'm at on US 30, and like I said, all I trade is US 30 liquidity based off fib levels. So again, thanks for watching, and catch you next time. Peace.